Hi, I'm Sarah King. I was diagnosed with breast cancer in October of 2009. I had a lumpectomy on December 23rd, I remember, because Christmas was kind of a bust after that. All was fine after that. They took out 15, I think, lymph nodes from my armpit, 4 or 5 of which were malignant. I was scheduled to have 6 chemotherapies and then 36 radiation after that, which I did. I had no problems at all after the initial lumpectomy surgery until one morning in February when I woke up with a big old fat arm and hand. So I contacted Dr. Granzow. Dr. Granzow was referred to me by my oncologist, and it was an absolute godsend. I had complete faith in Dr. Granzow. There was never a doubt in my mind. And then I continued with the chemotherapy and then the radiation. And I had to wait to have surgery for the mastectomy and the lymph node transplant until I'd finished all that treatment and had some time to recover from it. I was not able to vacuum or do laundry anymore, which Denise did for me, best friend in the world.
It was a pleasure to be able to help her out because she was such a trooper through the whole process. I couldn't imagine doing that all by myself the way she did.
So after that was done, then Dr. Granzow took, this is the important part, lymph nodes from my groin and put them in my armpit. He was very careful to use the same incision from the lumpectomy, so I didn't have more than one scar there. 14 hours later, I woke up without a sleeve or a glove arm on and a perfectly normal hand and arm. And so then I went to Julie, who is Dr. Granzow's expert physical therapist. I had to walk up 15 steps to get into my apartment after the surgery. And Julie actually came to the hospital on a Sunday on her own time to help me practice walking up and down steps before I was discharged.
She just picked right up again and started having her Christmas parties and her infamous birthday brunches. The most important thing is to just have support from friends and family.
Yeah, everybody associated with Dr. Granzow is just wonderful. I mean, they could not, and they take their lead from him, they could not be more kind or sympathetic or understanding or compassionate. Amazing. And I have not had a sleeve or a glove on since, almost 10 years.